In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the theme language in Shopify. This procedure can come in handy if you want to present your online shop in a different language, or if you have international customers and want to ensure your content is easily understood. Start off by signing into your Shopify admin account. Once logged in, you will spot various options on your dashboard. Your journey towards changing the theme language begins in the Online Store section. Be sure to look for it in the sidebar on the dashboard. Click on Online Store and a new series of options will appear. Among the many options, you will see Themes. Clicking on Themes will land you on a new page displaying the current theme of your Shopify store. Depending on your prior customization, there could be multiple themes, but one will always be set as your live, currently active theme. On the Themes page, your task is to locate your active theme. Once you spot it, you will see an accompanying ellipsis button, signified by 3 horizontal dots. Click on this ellipsis button to view a drop-down menu stocked with various actions you can perform with your theme. The drop-down menu is your gateway to editing the content of your theme. Among the list of options, seek out and select Edit Default Theme Content. Clicking on this option will transport you to an area where all the editable content of your theme resides. Here, the interface might appear overwhelming initially due to the many options. But take it easy, as you just need to focus on either the tabs or the filter items search bar. Both of these avenues will help you find the specific text you want to change the language of. Once you've identified and successfully edited the text, your journey is almost at an end. But there's one crucial step you need to accomplish before your new language settings go live: saving your changes. Hitting save ensures your language edits are put into effect. By following these steps, you should have successfully changed your Shopify theme language. Take note that changing the theme language does not automatically translate your entire website into the chosen language. For a total translation, you will need to use an app or a plugin designed for this purpose. Regardless, this process is a small yet significant step towards creating a more inclusive and accessible shopping experience on your Shopify store. In conclusion, with a little patience and a few clicks, you can customize your Shopify theme to speak the language that best suits you and your customers. Happy selling!